This video will introduce some key seating chart tools. Start in your box office settings and open the Seating Charts tab from the left-hand menu. Click Create New Seating Chart. We'll start with a simple seating chart to introduce you to the basic tools. If you have an image of your seating chart, you can choose to upload it to trace over, but for now, we'll skip this step. In a simple seating chart, the Row tool will be key to your design. Click the Row tool to bring up additional options, like the Multiple Rows tool. To use this tool, click to start drawing a row, then click again to duplicate the rows in another direction. Click once more to finish drawing your group of rows. You can hold Shift on your keyboard to keep your rows at a right angle. You can also toggle to the Rows with Segments tool to draw rows with angles. Click to pivot the direction of the row and click again when you're done drawing. The Select tool allows you to select rows from your seating chart. You can click individual rows or click and drag to select a larger area. On the top right, you'll find the Copy, Paste and Duplicate buttons. You can use these to quickly duplicate rows or areas of your seating chart. Use the mirror tools to flip rows horizontally or vertically so that you can create a balanced seating chart quickly. The eye icon on the top left is your Preview button, which will show you how your seating chart will look after it's published. This will be a helpful tool if you're tracing from a seating chart diagram or have a more complicated setup. That's it. If you're feeling comfortable with these basic tools, it's time to start building your first simple seating chart.